so let's go back to the flat plane, and let's talk about what it means for two straight lines to be parallel. Alright, so here we go, point A to point B. Actually, let's forget about the points, because now we've just decided that we know what straight lines are. Here's a straight line. Okay? Right? Now, what might it mean for another straight line to be parallel to this straight line? Okay. Well, it, of course, itself should be straight. And we know intuitively what it ought to mean to be parallel. It should kind of look like it. Right? Okay, so how can we talk about what it means for two lines to be parallel? Well, since we're on flat space now, we could talk about just compass direction. Right? So if this is north, say, and this is south, and this is west, and this is east, then we could say that two lines are parallel exactly when they're facing the same direction, the same compass direction, right? So for example, this one I've basically oriented it so that it's going so if I think about it going this way, it's going pretty much exactly northeast. And this one, well, it's a little offset, but this one is also going exactly northeast. So we could just talk about parallel lines that way. So we could say this guy, this one is going exactly north-south, so a parallel line to that should be also a straight line, which goes exactly north-south. Okay? So that's one way to talk about what it means to be parallel lines, just talking about it in terms of angles, in terms of direction for the compass. All right? Now remember, one thing that we know from experience, just on the flat surface, is that straight parallel lines don't intersect. Stands to reason, right? Because we're a little bit offset from each other and we're going exactly the same direction. So of course we're never going to run into each other. We're just going along the same train tracks and we're just never going to meet.